welcome. So this is gonna be our home page, and you can read the features here, but when you wanna log in, you have to go there and you have to click on login if you wanna log in, and if you wanna make a new account, you can click on sign up. So I'm gonna log in, and I'm gonna log in with my Google account. When you log in, this is gonna be what you're gonna be welcomed with. This is the home page. So here we have the market data. You can see the live data here, and here headlines and all the shortcuts and the economic calendar here. But the most important part of the main page is the search engine. So what we develop here is the search that's just like so accurate. So if you want to type up, for example, any stock, you can just type it out, and you can click on dashboard, and it's gonna save you a ton of time. So first you have the chart on the side, which is like one click. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is search and press the button, and you have annual reports. So you click on them, and it will open up the annual reports. So you can see Meta Platforms. So you can see this is like all in like one click. Quarterly reports, you can get access to all the quarterly reports, and investor relations, shareholders would open up Whale Wisdom, which has all the things you need. If you like scroll down, and you have all the things you need, ownership structure like 2 times, and see Mark Zuckerberg owns 15%, 16%, and then you have insider buying. This will tell you who are the insiders that are buying the stock right now. Like this is CFO of Facebook, how much he bought, how much he sold. And then you have Twitter and Seeking Alpha analysis, which I know you always know. So if you feel like, let's go back to the thing. So if you feel like searching for a new company, you would always like do like something Facebook, but in case if the company name is long, or if you know the ticker already, for example, I would much rather type AMD instead of Advanced Micro Devices, right? So if I just type AMD, okay, I can click on go, and it will just bring on AMD. No need to search and wait for the results. If you know the ticker, you're just good to go. And then search. So if you're looking at it and you wanna like change what you're looking at. For example, let's say I'll look on Microsoft. So Microsoft. So Microsoft, and you have like press with the arrow key, and you can just click on enter, and boom, there you have your Microsoft. It's gonna load for a while, and see Microsoft charts and annual reports, quarterly reports, just like the Microsoft Corporation. And it's loading here, and yeah, you can see it. This is the updated recent annual reports. So it's just like that. Again, if you know the ticker, you can just type AMD, but now you have to press tab instead of, there's no go button, so you have to like press tab. Let's say like AMD. Okay, I press the tab button, and it would redirect me to AMD. No need to search. Like if you know the ticker, you don't have to search. That's the point. And then on the side, we have like other really good options. This is where you're gonna save a lot of time if you're like an investor. And the first option we have here is industries. So if I click on industries, this is what you're gonna bring us with the industry averages. So we have like all the data points. So let's say we were analyzing AMD, right? So what industry is AMD? AMD is in semiconductor industry. We can go to semiconductors, and we can see at what rate the whole industry is growing, what's like the operating margin, and what's like the return on cash, like price to book, and like EV to EBIT. So if you're analyzing like 2 companies from like the same sector, same industry, and like you can just compare them to the averages that are here. So we have like so many, just for like so many different industries. Okay, click on auto and truck. You can see their margins are like really low, and yeah, they're growing pretty fast. So next we have Microviews. So these are mostly leading indicators, which I personally use. So these are the ones I like. So first we have CPI, so the inflation, which as everyone knows is like going crazy, and we have retail sales, which is bouncing back, and we have like durable goods. Durable goods are basically like cars and other durable goods, and we have payroll, and we have an unemployment rate which is going down, and customer sentiment, it's going down. It's going way down. It's lower than the pandemic was. And yeah, then we have funds. So these are like hedge funds reports and like hedge fund letters. So let's say like Pershing Square, Bill Ackman's fund, right? So Pershing Square report, I could click on it, and yeah, there I have the whole Pershing Square thing. So you can see everything in it. So you can see the board of directors, you can see who's the director, who's like everything, and what are they investing on. They're investing on Universal Music Group, and they're buying back some shares, and they're like some ESG considerations. Yeah, you can see the returns in it. And then we have Workspace. So Workspace is basically like the place where you can like organize things. So if you're like doing evaluation, and you can, let's say I want to add AMD to it. So I will just like AMD semiconductors, then I will just like click on add to Workspace, and it'll be added to Workspace. So now you can just status, is it like to do, or is it like you're working on it, or is it like done? So yeah, then you can also open up notes. So you can open up notes, and you can just start taking notes, and you can just click on annual report. So it will just like, it's like so easy for you to take notes here. So yeah, you can click on AMD, and you can just start going through everything. So you can just click on business, and you can look at the sectors, and like look at you can look what they're saying about the markets, and like what are their segments. You can just start doing it. Segments, commercial microprocessor chipsets, graphic products, you could just cloud computing, server, let's just say. And yeah, you can even hide, you can even put it in the, and you can highlight it if you want. It's just it's everything is like automatically synced to the cloud, so you don't have to like do any of the heavy lifts, I suppose. Yeah, that's it. Now have fun using this.